Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and we're just passing by, please consider subscribing so that you get notified when we post new videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that I'll ever ask you to do, and you don't pay anything, just like in the video. That's another way of motivating me to share more videos and share the information and my experiences in forex trading. Hopefully you can learn at least one thing. If you are looking for forex robots, forex systems, indicators and things like that, there are two links in the description box below. You can go to the blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people just come and request things that are already on the blogs. It shows me people are just lazy to go through the blogs and look for the stuff that they need. Don't be that person. Don't be lazy. Just go through the blogs. There are pages and pages of content on those blogs. If you still cannot find what you are looking for, then you can always come back and leave a request, and I'll try my best to look for what you need for you. Okay, so let's get into today's video. We are talking about finances. It's, I think, one of the most neglected topics in forex trading, and I might be making a lot of videos on this channel concerning finances. We are usually focusing on making the money. We usually focus on how to make money in forex trading, and nobody really talks about what then do you do with that money. So you find that people are making lots and lots of money in forex trading, but at the end of the day they don't know what really to do with that money. Of course, we are all adults. I believe you have to be a certain age to be able to start trading forex. So I cannot pretend to tell you what you should do with your money. So just consider this as my own perspective and my advice. You are free to agree, you are free to disagree. I basically cannot tell you what to do with your hard-earned money. But I believe that forex trading should be a stepping stone, should be the thing that gives you money to start in other things. Why is it important that you have multiple sources of income aside from forex trading? First of all, it's because if you just are trading forex, if you are just trading forex, what you just basically did was replace your 9 to 5 with forex trading. If you happen to lose forex trading, of course forex trading will always be there, but say you fall sick, say you got injured in an accident and you cannot trade for a week, or you cannot trade for 2 months, or you cannot trade for 4 weeks, whatever time frame, it means you have lost income. You have lost income. You are the same as that person who is working a 9 to 5. The same way that they lose income is the same way that you are also losing income. So it's important that when you make your millions, when you make your hundreds of thousands of dollars, that you actually invest in other things, especially things that will give you passive income. For example, you could invest in rental property. I think rental property is a popular avenue for passive income. You basically buy a property and find good tenants. Aside from some regular maintenance issues here and there, it's just money that's coming in, that's guaranteed every end of the month, and you don't need to be there every day, you don't need to do anything about it. It's just money that's coming in. Then or you might think about high interest savings accounts. if you are not thinking about investing in other things. Simply switching from saving your forex profits in a regular account. How about if your bank offers a high interest savings account, you just move all your forex profits into that account. By doing that, every penny, every dollar that's in your account is actually generating little pennies, little dollars on the back of it without you actually doing anything. As simple as that. So the topic of this video is explore ways where you can actually make your money work for you. Passive income ways to make the money that you're generating in forex trading actually work for you. Because sometimes for any reason you might not be able to be coming to the charts and you don't lose income because you didn't trade. Personally, my goal has always been to generate around 150 US dollars a day. I can say passively nowadays I generate around $100. This is outside of forex trading and the other business that I do day to day. Passively, I generate $100 a day. So basically, I can decide not to do anything for a week, and for that week, I'm guaranteed $700 without lifting a finger. It's passive income. I don't need to put effort into it. It's just money generating more money. That's how the rich get richer. They put their money to work. Forget about the clubs, the booze, the girls, and stuff like that. Find ways of making your money work for you. Don't fall for this social media thing about social media about forex traders just blowing their monies over the weekend, and the next Monday they are making more money and things like that. It's all good and fine. And like I said, I'm not going to come and tell people what to do with their money, but you also need to create safeguards in your life. You must create ways to make more money in case for some reason, any reason, you are not able to do forex trading. What I also found is when I used to just trade forex alone, sometimes I would look at the calendar and it's nearing end of the month and I haven't reached my target, my income target for that month. So I would start forcing trades. I would start forcing trades and seeing setups where they are not setups, not staying disciplined to my trading strategy, my plan, because I'm desperate for the cash. What happened is when I started investing in other things, when I started having other sources of income, it meant that I can even wait a day, even 2 days, without taking a trade. If there's no setup, if my trading plan has not been met, my conditions have not been met, I'm not in a rush. I can patiently wait for days because I know I can still have money for other things that's coming in from somewhere else. So I don't force trades just to make money. So it's something that I think you should be looking into. So I think I'll delve deep into this money management thing in coming in future videos on this channel, just to get people thinking. It's all good and fine to blow $1 million at the club, but think about also ways to make that $1 million generate more money for you. So in case forex trading does not work out for you, you still have somewhere to fall back on. Like this video, leave a comment in the comments section. I'd like to hear how you are investing and how you are spending your forex monies, your forex profits. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, guys, let's make the money.